Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB is at a very critical point here right now. We moved up. So there's obviously a bullish and a bearish scenario. The bullish one is certainly getting challenged at the moment. Yeah, we've certainly pulled back to the maximum level that we should do. Everybody should know we haven't put a confirmed low in place at all yet for what happened here. Yeah, BNB has moved from one chart that looked really good to one that could now easily break into a bearish scenario. And the reason for that is we moved up here. That was from June to August in a wave one. Yeah, but only in a diagonal pattern. So these are just do what they are already less reliable. Could easily be a correction as well. But due to the strength of it and the support levels BNB did hold so far, it's okay. You know, we could count this bullish as a wave one, and then we move down in a correction W, overshooting wave X in this case, and a wave Y to the downside, so a WXY expanded flat. We did that, and we have pulled exactly to that level that I indicated in one of the last videos, $220. Here we saw a reaction, an expected reaction. And this is now exactly where we are at a critical, in a critical situation here, because it's now here where the market will decide. Do we break down? Because if we break below $215, it's over. I already would say if we break below 220, it's probably over. And then we could expect, first of all, a target of around 150 US dollars, maybe even lower. So this is now really critical. So at the moment we could still count this as a 1-2 setup, a possible bullish trade setup. $220 were reached. But what it now needs to do, it now needs to move up from here. It has moved in something that you could consider 5 waves. So it could be a wave 1 of a wave 3 to the upside. And then you could argue that this was already the wave 2. I think it reached the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Yes, it did. Sort of between the 38.2 and the 50% Fibonacci level at $237. However, it could be, and that is what we don't know because we didn't move above the previous high here on the 20th of December. It could be that we get a deeper wave 2. Yeah, no problem for a wave 2 to come down to the $227 level at the 78.6% Fib level. What happens here in the short term, this uncertainty in the very short term, it could easily be an A wave down here, a B wave and a C. So this could easily be an A wave. This could be a B wave because we did not move above the wave 1 high. And now we could be coming down in C. That's possible as well. The message here is, as long as in the very short term we are holding above the $227 level, this could still be also on the small scale here a 1-2 setup. But below $227, I think we're going to break below 220 and also then below 215. Because if we really break below 220, there isn't much support there anyway. And I think then it's going to break down. So I think the way this is coming down here, I mean, this could easily just come down to the 3 key support levels, 237, 233 or $227. These are 3 Fib levels that provide support now. And to really confirm that this is a 1-2 setup and we would move up in a wave 3 next, it would need to move up then, break above the wave 1 high at $253 and move up in a wave 3. What would be the target for the wave 3? And to be honest, I will only believe this if we rally impulsively to $291, yeah, the 1.618 extension. Then we have a really good case to make here that this could be a wave 3 and we're moving up here in a 5-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the wave 5 could then reach $325, for example. Then we've got 5 waves up. At the moment, we are very early days here in a possible 1-2 setup. This could still break without a problem. Yeah, it could still break. It hasn't done anything to confirm it. We have an indication, yeah, 5 waves up, that this could be turning around. But to be honest, there's so much going on around BNB that damages the sentiment at the moment. We need to be on the side of caution here. Yeah, anybody who is trading this, especially long, please understand this is a low probability setup. I mean, it could work, but the general environment in the crypto market at the moment, it's all about sentiment. yeah, we need to understand sentiment, and sentiment at the moment in the market is down. There's altcoins that are dying at the moment. There are altcoins that go below their issue price at the moment. Most altcoins have dropped below the critical 88.7% FIB level. BNB not yet. Yeah, but BNB also lost a lot due to, I don't want to say FUD, because some of it might be true what's going on around and the discussions around Binance. Yeah, certainly CZ hasn't really helped himself and Binance in that recent interview. I don't know if you've seen it. Quite embarrassing, really. But yeah, you know, guys, this could work out, but it's low probability. Of course, it can work out, but be aware of the key support levels. Set your stop loss if you want to enter a long trade here. Certainly, the potential is there. But I will only believe a bullish case here if we break above $291. And that would be the 1.618 extension. This can still work out, absolutely. But the way we've come down, the sentiment, I mean, yeah, it makes me wonder if this is all going to break down and really we are going to see the $140, $150 levels. Because this is the bearish count. I've added it now because obviously the bullish count is seriously getting challenged. Here in yellow, wave 1 down, wave 2 up. We're now in a wave 3 to the downside. There'll be a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down, and that could reach sort of the $140 level. Yeah. So that's where we are at the moment. So you should be aware now of the key support levels, key resistance levels, key validation, invalidation levels, and I'll make you aware what's going on. We certainly fulfilled so far what was expected, coming down to the 220 level, seeing a bounce, and that bounce is now going to give us clarity about how do we proceed, because the 220 level was sort of the target to end this wave 2. Now we need to see, does the market really end it? Does the market end it? I'm very doubtful given the current sentiment. There isn't anything close to whatever a so-called Santa rally, year-end rally. I think we could have seen one had FTX not happened. Unfortunately, it did happen. And yeah, so it certainly damaged the sentiment, and it's a critical situation here. And if we break below 220, it's probably bear mode. Okay, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.